Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm at closeoutexplosion.com. My WhatsApp cell phone number is 1-917-913-6093. The next time you are here in New York, you are welcome to visit. Today I'd like to discuss with you how to make money off the Amazon phenomenon without actually having to sell products on Amazon or through Amazon. I'm going to share a few ideas with you. If you like these ideas and you decide to implement the ideas, I would love to hear your feedback to see how it worked out for you. So idea number one is, if you're not going to be selling your products on Amazon or through Amazon, but you believe there's a lot of potential for your products on Amazon, here's what you could do. You could find Amazon sellers, whether they're FBA sellers or they're doing merchant fulfillment, where they themselves sell the products to the customers. You can find these sellers and sell your products to them. Now, you can do that for various reasons. Maybe you're very busy with your wholesale business or your retail business as it is, and you don't have the time to go through the Amazon program. Perhaps you want someone else to do the work and you don't mind making less per unit, but you feel you'll do a lot more in volume. So how do you find these sellers? The first thing you could go to wholesale forums where people are discussing selling on Amazon, and then start posting what do you have available. Don't do it as spam, but engage in the conversation. You could also find forums by Amazon sellers and also engage in a conversation, let people know what it is that you do. Always offer information, try to answer questions, give advice if you have advice to give. And if you are a resource, which you are, if you have products that can be sold on Amazon, then let people know. Another way to make money from the Amazon phenomenon is you can write articles and publish those articles. You can either get paid for the articles, find magazines or websites that pay for submissions, or if there are websites that allow guest posters, people to come ahead and submit articles, they might not pay, but you could still submit those articles. Why? Because if you yourself have products that can be sold on Amazon and someone finds that article online or in a magazine and they read that article and then they contact you, there's a good chance they could buy products from you if you have what they need and they could sell and make money with those products. Another reason why is because when you submit an article, especially if it's online, you could have a link, right? When it's offline, you could have your resource box at the bottom of the article so people can contact you. If you do it online, not only could people contact you through the resource box, but that link could help your website move up in the search engine rankings, especially if the website that you submitted your article to is considered an authoritative website in the industry. Another way to make money through the Amazon phenomenon is if you yourself have previously sold on Amazon, or you have a lot of knowledge about how the Amazon sales platforms work, what you could do at that point is you could offer your services on a consulting basis. So you could charge people for guidance, and you might even, once again, if you're a wholesaler, you could sell your products, you might not even want to charge people a consulting fee, because this way you can develop a good relationship with them, and then hopefully through the relationship, as they benefit and as they build their business, they're going to be interested to buy from you. When I publish these videos, I'm very happy to help people, and I'm hoping that through these videos I could develop a relationship and that people will then come do business with me because they'll see me as a source of information. They'll see me as someone who generally wants to help people, and then they don't have to buy from me. These videos are completely free, right? And I suggest you send out articles for free and also put out videos for free. Start out by helping people, and once you help people, then if people decide that they want to do business with you because they like you, then okay, then everyone could benefit. All right, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. My website is closeoutexplosion.com. I have another website as well, wholesaleusadresses.com, and I'd be very happy to meet you in person. And if you're an existing customer of mine, I'd be very happy to see you very soon. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.